Trigonometry is not about triangles. And so kotoa is one of the worst things you can learn to damage your trigonometric understanding. This point, which is inclined at theta degrees, measured anti-clockwise from the positive x-axis, is defined to have coordinates cos theta, sine theta. That is a definition of sine and cos. If this y-coordinate is sine theta, then this length is sine theta, this length is cos theta in the first quadrant only. And you can see sine theta is this length over 1. That's why we say opposite over hypotenuse. And adjacent, which is cos, over 1 is adjacent, ka. That's what it is, and tangent is the same thing.
Yeah, so while I do agree that the unit circle can be great, especially if you are learning trigonometry and you want to understand more about it, but I think introducing it in this way to someone who's a bit newer to the chapter can be a bit overwhelming for them. And the shape they're more familiar with is usually the triangle, because they're fresh off learning Pythagoras. So maybe the way I would introduce it is something like, alright, you've just learned about the right angle triangle, Pythagoras theorem connects the sides together and helps you find them. Now we have these trigonometry tools, sine, cos, and tan, which help you find the angles. I think that would ease it in a bit smoother and also help the student accept that progression of learning. So you go from sides to angles and so on. But other than that, it's a pretty decent explanation. I do think that with the correct intro, trigonometry is one of the most fun topics to learn.